Okay, there are a lot of easy way of drawing the diagram of heart, but my friend asked me to draw it in this way. So I have to start with superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. And this U shape is going to be ventricles. And this is left pulmonary artery. And that's gonna be aorta. It is left atrium, and those are left pulmonary veins. Now we need to draw 4 valves, and that is tricuspid valve. Well, that's pulmonary semilunar valve. And bicuspid valves, and that little thing is aortic semilunar valve. Okay, for exam hall, this is just enough. Or if you want to make it more beautiful, then you can double line these marks, or you can just left it like this. I recommend you to draw these codependent lines, okay? You can skip it, but it's better to give. Don't you ever think that you can draw it in exam hall within 5 minutes without practicing it 5 times? Okay, now the thing I'm doing, it's completely optional. You can skip it or do it. Better not to do, because you won't get enough time in exam hall. Instead of drawing those double line, you can just darken the line just like this. Okay, remember that the left ventricle is thicker than the right ventricle. And blood circulation happens in this way.